figured, why not ram a stream in that um time? Is it really that time again? I am expecting to get absolutely zero viewers because I feel like a lot of my fan base, I say that, a lot of my viewers are European and they aren't awake. And I feel like it's late enough in the morning that my American viewers probably are also not going to be able to watch. So what is that? What does that leave you? Asia, I believe. Hello, is my microphone? Yeah, okay, there you go. The my microphone is kind of weird because it has a mute indication light, um, but it turns off when you mute your microphone. Not only that, but the mute button is on the top of the microphone, and because of my pop filter, I can't even see the light. So sometimes, and because it's not like a tactile button, it's sometimes I wonder, like I worry that I might have accidentally touched the top of my microphone because then I might be muted. Um, so I haven't really decided what I want to do with my stream yet today. I was thinking of just playing more Gimmick, but I kind of burnt myself out on Gimmick a little bit. Yesterday I did a whole like fucked up reconstruction effort where I tried to figure out how the movement mechanics in Mr. Gimmick like worked. So one moment. Also, it's a good thing I checked my work schedule because it's from 1 p.m. onwards, not like not 1 p.m. not onwards. So true. Wahoo! You know what? Different time slot, different audience maybe. I'm gonna see if I'm gonna start the stream on TikTok as well. I wonder how different that would be, because I know that vertical live stream on YouTube is treated as its own like thing, which is why I was doing it to begin with, right? Multi-stream to YouTube, do it vertically, get more impressions, type thing. I don't know I don't know who we're going to send this to, or like who the algorithm is going to serve this to. I hadn't really thought about that. Then again, I don't know if any YouTubers think of this. I mean, what do? I play Half-Life? Building traction. You consistently beat 77% creators so far. That's kind of sad. That's kind of sad, TikTok. Why would you tell me that? I'm not competitively minded, you know? That just makes me sad. I want other people to do, I want other creators to do well, you know? Um, er, Something weird that, TikTok Studio does is it adds your... Why is it mirrored? Sorry. It adds your camera... No. It adds your sources to the back of the scene for some reason. I doo-doo in the bed every morning. I have to fucking mirror this thing. Oh, so much fucking work. Oh, that looks like crap. Oh, hey, hi, Errol. Hi, good morning. I haven't decided what I'm doing today yet. We're we're doing something. I know that for sure. Madoka looking. I was thinking of doing like a talk show or like a news show, but I don't have any. Yeah, actually, I do have some news. I do have one news. Exactly one news that I have. One moment. I need to not show my work schedule. I do want to show my web browser, but I do not want to show my work schedule because that's weird. Not even all that like I'm not even all that secretive about these things. It's just weird. um You might have seen this in the Discord already, but freaking it's so weird to hear my comfort streamer talk about me in the third person. Like, motherfucker, I am here. I am watching right now. Oh. YouTube lately has been doing this thing where it like gets stuck when it can't serve an ad.
We raided the other day was just playing Gimmick for the love of the game. They were like a Grapefruit fan, but they weren't actually. Because I looked at their stream and they were like, look, they had like a picture of me up, like, you know, I was like, oh, they're watching the stream. They're trying to like bait me into raiding them, and it worked. But I think it was just a coincidence that they were looking at my stream at that exact moment. And it was funny because they were like, oh, I was just about to sign off. You know, my parents like just went to bed, and I'm in the same house as them, and I don't want to, but I don't want to disappoint the raiders, so we gotta play more Gimmick.
I mean, that's all he said, but it's still weird to like watch a VOD like that and then have the guy go, speaking of that guy, you know, that one guy, that's me, that guy, that's me. That's hella weird. By the way, do you appreciate the return? Yeah, it is nice for those rabid fans that like were somehow there but didn't stick around for the raid, but did stick around for his accusations, which I find somewhat unlikely. But you know, thanks for the clear up. Thanks for the clear up, Mr. Grapefruit. We are now best friends. Dude, this fucking guy's VOD's channel has like half the subscribers that Mushy Polter does, which is insane. Imagine that, right? If like, what is his main channel like then? Does he have like 100,000 more billion subscribers? Like what? One moment, I'm doing a little YouTube sleuthing, as they call that. That's not, no, stop. I beg. Is there really no link to his main account on anywhere on here? Okay. That's strange, right? I mean, I suppose it makes sense that you'd think like, it's 300,000. Sheesh. He need no link. Yeah. They not like us. They not like us. So that's news number one. Yeah, like I mentioned, I was doing some like Gimmick reverse engineering yesterday. But that was a lot of Gimmick that happened. So much freaking Gimmick. Oh, we aren't even streaming. We aren't even streaming on TikTok. Honestly, I'm so surprised that you guys all showed up. You have the horizontal layout. I'm aware. The horizontal layout is back. Yeah, okay, I'll turn the TTS on. I always do that late. I don't know if you've ever been here before I turn the TTS on, but it's just a hassle because I put it in like a weird ass folder, and because everything else sets itself up. I turned it. I turned it I did it in a way that it all launches together with OBS, so I only have to start OBS, except I have to dig into my folders to find my stupid text-to-speech thing every time. Mayhaps I could have, like, used a different API, to be honest, but... Also, I need to make, like, a thing so I can just run it in the command prompt without having to, like, launch the entirety of Visual Studio Code. Make a taskbar shortcut. Honestly, I'll do that right now. Okay, anyway, it's initializing the thing. And I'm gonna make a batch file. New text document. And then call it like tts.bat. Bum 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 ba 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 bum bum bottom. You know what? You know what? I really want to listen to Keroro Gunso background music. Like, I don't know why. I'm just compelled. Anyway, we just do did I do it echo off? I just realized I never actually wrote a bat file. Yes, that is how you do it. And then just have it do this. Okay, now we're going to probably be running 2 different instances of the same thing. Oh, that didn't work. CMD. You know what? I can screen share the CMD window. And then we run tts.bats. And was unexpected at this time. Right. Oh, boy. I think it might be because the text-to-speech is already initialized. Well, it's crashed now. Yeah, that did it. But there you go. For a moment I was scared it was gonna like put my IP address on the screen. I should have checked for that. Anyway, right, let's run this and then how do I... So I suppose I make a shortcut.
255.25.5.255.0.
That worked. The music is way too loud. Why are you guys like this? So what am I doing now? Right, I'm trying to make a shortcut. Right, and this is like just... It's called TTS. And... Can we pin it to taskbar? Can I just drag? No. What the fuck is this music? I've never heard this. Well, whatever, I'll just add it to favorites and then...
You chose the music.
You are correct, but I just don't know this song, is what I mean. Don't know if this was ever used. Yeah, no, that didn't work. I added it to favorites, but like, where is favorites? That doesn't exist anymore. I'm skipping this song. I don't even know that song. Well, I'm being like messaged 100 times. What the fuck, Lucy? How did you get banned? Wait. Flash unban. That's not how you spell. Wait.
That's what are you doing?
I'm unbanning Lucy Levent. Why were you banned? Why were you banned to begin with? What have you done?
How did this happen?
I'm going to assume I somehow accidentally banned you myself. Maybe like I pressed tab or something? I don't know. Or like, I know there's like little buttons. No, I don't even have the mod view on. No, I do. Okay, I might have accidentally clicked... I might have accidentally clicked on the ban Lucy button.
Maybe there's a log you can check after the stream.
No, I think that's definitely probably it. It's either you were automatically moderated to die,
Well,
or I tabbed you into OBS and then banned you.
oops.
Oops. Yeah, no. Good that you mentioned it though, because otherwise I wouldn't have known. Didn't mean to ban you at very least. Rest assured. Oh, hi people on TikTok. Hi everybody. Welcome to my regular setup. Usually I'm horizontal. Horizontally. I have to mention that this this surf gameplay isn't me. I'm not doing this right now. This is just background. I'm like you're probably too young for this, but I'm like I'm like Leafy.
He's doing this.
He's doing this. Oh yeah, no, it's true. I'm lying, actually. This is all real-time gameplay that's real and happening. Yeah, this is happening! The other day, I had like a speech-to-text program that I had hooked up. I think the people are leaving because they're like, we have been duped. Anyway, what am I saying? Something. Oh yeah, I had a speech-to-text program. Because I wanted to like replicate those kind of like stupid story time things where they like it's always the same Minecraft background gameplay. What is that, by the way? What is the Minecraft gameplay? You know it, right? The TikTok Minecraft parkour gameplay. Let me see if I can find it. Like the fuck ass free to use TikTok parkour gameplay. I think I found it.
I know exactly what you mean.
Right? The one with the slime blocks and there's like this part with Prismarine and stuff. think this might be it. I think I might have found it. Looks very familiar. Oh, this is most likely what I'm talking about. Maybe? No, it does look different from what I remember. One moment, you can't see. Like this one. But this is different, right? I don't think this is the parkour that we are aware of. The hunt for the freaky parkour, no background. Sorry, parkour, no copyright. No, this is definitely not it. Minecraft gameplay parkour TikTok format. Is this the one? Is this... Did I just all use this one, maybe? It looks like the correct map, but what is up with the, like, weird filter? Has it always been like this? It looks really gross. No, I feel like I would have known if this was the gameplay.
Backrooms as shit.
I don't know what the backrooms has to do with this, but sure. I think
Well,
I'm running out of
this map is super old.
RAM. It's
I
just
might
maybe.
have played it.
My computer is having some issues here, man. I can't play both music and watch a YouTube video at the same time. Apparently. I swear there's something just wrong with my web browser. No, it's
Cell shading shoulder.
shoulder. Me when the cell shoulder. Dude, I got that cell
Borderlands as
shoulder.
shit.
It's weird how infrequent people chat in the TikTok chat. It's like I usually have TikTok Studio minimized. Also my entire web browser just like stopped working. What was I saying? I usually have it minimized so that the rendering of the preview doesn't like slog my computer. Which sucks because then I can't see what people are saying, but people aren't saying anything, which is really weird. Why doesn't the TikTok chat never, like, why does the TikTok chat never says anything? Say anything. Oh my god. Also, it says Mr. Gimmick on the screen. I don't think I will be playing Borderlands ass shader. Well, whatever.
I'm not sure if the TikTok users actually have brains.
Okay, now that's a bit much. Honestly, I feel like if I had to make a tier list, at the top it would be Twitch viewers, because those seem to typically be like actual real people. And then you have YouTube viewers who are typically like 5 years old, but at least real. And then there's TikTok viewers who, I think it's also just the fact that it announces that people are joining in the same like spot as where like the chat would usually go. So it looks like there's a lot going on, but it's just people like being served a I forgot the word again. Sorry, it's just somebody being served an impression.
Impression.
Yeah. It's every impression, just every impression is personalized. So what do we do? Do we have a gimmick? Do we have a thing for today? I have so many people here and I didn't even figure out what I wanted to stream. I mean, we can play more, Mr. Gimmick. I can show off some of the things I learned. Yeah, actually, okay. We're not gonna, like, play Mr. Gimmick good. I'm just gonna show you the fucked up, like, memory editing that I figured out.
Make Mr. Gimmick.
Yeah. I got burnt out from playing Mr. Gimmick, so now we're making Mr. Gimmick. That was another idea of maybe making like a little 3D model of Mr. Gimmick. To take a break from all the like insane people stuff. Oh yes, ROM hack. No, not like a ROM. Well, I mean, I guess what I'm doing is quite literally ROM hacking.
Take Kirby and make him green.
That would be pretty funny to like...
Gritty realistic 2010 Mr. Gimmick reboot.
Okay, let me see. Oh, why is the... Oh no, it is working, right? There it is, game sound. Is the game not too quiet? I feel like it's probably fine. Especially because it's not tabbed. Like, wait, let me see. Oh, it's actually too loud whenever I am tabbed in. This emulator does that where it makes the sound quieter when I'm tabbed out. Oh well. Well, that's not surf gameplay. But why is there two of these now? Maybe they're copies of each other, who knows? Let me see, where's my OBS? I need to like lay this out properly. So here's the game, right? This is what you're used to seeing. Mr. Gimmick. This fucking guy is playing Mr. Gimmick. There he is, Mr. Gimmick. Okay, so, and what we're doing next is we go to debug, we get the memory viewer. Or, let me see. Which I suppose we'll put like this. And we'll also get the memory searcher. Oh, I need to put these in here as well. Not display capture. Let's do a, oh, where's the thing? It's a... Where is window capture? Oh, at the bottom, because it's W for window. So we have the memory searcher, which I'll make a little less wide now that I look at it. Like this. So this searches for variables. And the search. I'll show it off more properly in a bit. So we put this over here. Now we need another window capture, which will capture the actual... No, that's memory search again, but I want to have the memory viewer, which I will also make a little smaller. Please zoom out a little bit. So this is the entire game, like memory. We can scroll through it. That's all, like everything that's in memory right now. Let me remember real quick what different values do. I have a little notepad over here. I mostly just wrote down the things that were like actually relevant to me at the time.
You have to remember the memory.
I have to remember to... I have to remembery. So we had, for example, the 0300 bit, which would be over here somewhere. Is it literally just 0300? I believe this is my horizontal velocity, so if I make it like B4, I think for a second there, Mr. Gimmick, like... What I do know is that this variable changes based on how much I'm moving. For example, look, if I move... See, like, if... Whenever I'm at full speed or I'm jumping, it says 8. And otherwise it says something between... what, 5 and 3? So clearly this has something to do with my momentum. I'm not really sure. I also have 00AE, which is my horizontal position, which I can just set.
Not a mod anymore.
Let me see if I can find 00AE. So 00AE. So if I set this to like
yeah, you're right.
B4,
Lucy should be everybody's stream moderator.
99, 0. See, so I can like shift myself around. I can also, apparently this variable just made me turn to the right when I changed it. But I can't unchange it, so that's interesting. Yeah, how weird. Or is it just... No, I don't know. Sometimes I like to just change random values. 00C2 is also interesting. 00C2 is... Oh, C2. That is my vertical velocity, so if I set this to like B4, for example, it makes me jump. Which is interesting. I believe one of these values up here was the lives. What is it currently? It's 2. Let me see if I can find 2. This is... Okay, maybe this one? If I set this to FF?
Okay, Matt is ignoring you, so I made you a mod of my streams at Lucy Levens.
Sorry, what are you saying? I don't have my...
I don't think...
Oh, sorry. Should be everybody's moderator. Okay, Matt is ignoring you, so I made your mod on this. Made you mod on my stream. Oh, banning Lucy unmodded her probably.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Also, clearly that didn't work.
Hi.
No worries. Thank you for being a moderator to begin with. Don't accidentally ban your moderators, guys. It's not good for your stream. I'm honestly very surprised that people are tuning in on a Thursday morning. Or is it Wednesday? No, it's Thursday. Wait, what? Huh? Did I delete the plant? We didn't get the secret level thing, right?
I should be working, but I'm lazy today.
I think I accidentally deleted the flower that's supposed to be here. But where's the bit that does that?
Really cool that you can just change those.
Right? I believe I was trying to change the vertical velocity the other day. Where is it? 00C2?
On until no less.
And I accidentally created an enemy. But I don't know how I did that. I should have written down the like, value for that. So I was genuinely just fucking around with different momentum values and stuff, and I just created an enemy. You know, I just set random things to 10. We're just like doing corruptions now. There's a bunch of like empty here, which is funny. Yeah, wait, let's see.
Yo, gonna grab breakfast real quick, BRB.
Have a nice breakfast. Wait, did I just... When did I get that item? Did I edit that item into my inventory? Wait a minute. Also, let me... There's something we can do with this memory viewer where, for example, let's see. Something that is different. And then... Oh. If we kill the enemy, it should be different again. Oh, this is going to be annoying to figure out. Okay, there's another enemy on the screen. So, we have another difference. Crap. Well, whatever. There's no enemy on the screen. So, one of these... Sorry. No. No, it's none of these. I don't actually know how to... That was like one of the craziest things I did though, was like find a bit that if you flipped it, it just like enabled an enemy to kill you. It was definitely somewhere here at the top though. Whoa. There was also, at some point, I was like changing the fucking room that we were in. I couldn't remember how to do that either, though.
Whoa.
I'm basically doing corruptions now, which is interesting. Did you hear that? There was like instruments from one song playing while the other song was playing. I believe this should reset the music if I jump off the... How weird. We can try to... No, that wasn't it. Let's look for differences. So if we... So now these are all the values that were different between rooms, or just different in general. They're all like flickering though, which tells me that these are like either something to do with timing or RNG maybe? I don't know. So far just like pressing the not equal button a bunch of times hasn't really worked for me. I mean, maybe those were music notes, who knows? I mean, who knows what happens if we turn this to FF, or this to FF. Sorry, what? New speedrun tech unlocked. Just change this specific bit to FF, and it launches you outside of the map. Very useful. That's wild. That's also interesting. That turns the screen black. That made the game crash. Okay. Is there any values that are set to 3 right now? 'Cause I was very certain that it was like one of the like topmost values. Oh, that's interesting. I think I just killed the UI. Zero 104 might be. This might be the health, or like the lives, I mean. The thing is that the lives UI, or it says rest on the UI, doesn't update unless you actually die. Yeah, no, that was it. So see, we have the... I mean, our UI is even more glitched than it already was. But as you can see, the lives are now glitched symbol 4, which stands for F4 or FE even. What?
Have to pay respect.
Why is it slowing down like that? But yeah, I think in the process of doing that, I corrupted a bunch of things. I believe something else you can do is that you can make cheats. Let me see if I can do that real quick. Cheat. And then we do add, and then... Oh. I don't actually know how these work. One moment. Infini lives. Was it messen cheat syntax?
I was watching Gimmick 2 in the graphics stream, and it feels so contemporary up in the way LUL.
It really is such contemporary slop, right? It made me kind of sad. Example. Ah, okay. That is kind of what it looked like.
It feels a corporation idea of the original game,
That.
for what I have seen.
Let me see. So this was 104. Some code does not match the selected format. Why not? Do I have to put it in square brackets? No. Well, there definitely has to be a dollar. What now? Direct RAM modification. Used lock to change. Can you see this stuff, by the way? No, you can't. Well, that's very boring now. This is why I don't tend to do these kinds of things. Enter a name for cheat code. To drop down to select. Okay. Here's an example. Right, yeah. To enter multiple codes, enter one code per line. But I've seen people do it like this. Mess and cheat syntax example. Oh, it's like this. No. Game Genie code, alternative syntax. Direct memory override syntax. Or is it just 104 colon? No. What? How do these cheats work? One moment. So I'm working on the NES here, so maybe. Sorry for being boring, by the way. It's just this is the nature of this sort of thing. Cheat finder. No, that's different. So I found that the code makes address 0xD88 be read as 0x11. No idea what that does. Yeah, that's very cool. But I don't want to make a Game Genie code like that. I just want to like write my edit in the syntax that it wants. Why does it have to be in the format of a Game Genie? Or can I, like, put it into code window? No.
PGW, have you seen the Backrooms film?
Have I seen the Backrooms film? Sadly, no. Is it out? Did they put it out yet?
It's pretty good.
That's awesome. I'm glad it's good. I wonder what C is.
At least it initially I was at the start of the month.
Syntax.
I saw it asterisk.
Oh! No, wait, I don't understand this. Why can't I just type in the code window, though? I know what I wanted to end up meaning. Do you get that? Our simple 6 to 8 letter strings, the emulator automatically decodes into RAM addresses and values. Okay. Direct memory modification. You're using Mess and Cheat Finder or directly editing cheat files. Syntax address value. Okay. Oh, that works. Oh, okay. Now I just have to plug in my correct ones. So 0104. 0104 is FF. Oh. Okay, if correct, if I like reset the game now,
am back.
Yeah, I know, just by default have infinite lives. Which is cool, I guess. I figured out how to do cheating. I just made a cheat that gives me infinite lives.
You.
See, so if I die now, it's still going to be glitch 5 in the
Card mode.
thing. Yeah, for real. I could also try to figure out like what my health is like.
Not that Mr. Gimmick isn't already got Kirby.
You are correct. Then again, Mr. Gimmick is like literally a plush toy.
What's the lore?
I think I found my health also. It's a 0346. Yeah, so if I put this to, who knows, also FF. This fucks up my my UI, but I should just have like near infinite health.
Yo at RLL, maybe this is useful for you when you want to practice speedrunning tactics.
Do you know about Gimboss? What is Gimboss?
Oh wait, save states are a thing.
At Lucy Lavent is okay, I have ever drive safe state.
Yeah.
Gimboss is a ROM hack that gives you Matero sunglasses.
Oh yeah.
That's really funny. It's like, oh my god.
You.
Gimmick boss. Is that the only thing it does? Anyway, let's add this to the cheat editor. Now that I know how to do that. Infinite health, which was bits. 0346. 0346.
Can you look into the ROM hacks to see how they changed the sprite?
Effects. Can you look into ROM hacks to see how to change the sprites? I believe that's different from memory editing, because this is CPU memory that I'm editing right now. I'd have to go into the... I believe the PPU ROM, maybe? Or sprite ROM? I just don't have any experience doing that. But I should be able to change the sprites. In fact, I have seen a ROM hack do it before. But that would be a whole, like, different figure-outy thing, you know? Now that I look at it, the freaking UI is overlapping the...
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I'll look at it like... What? I'm fine looking at it, it's just like on stream is kinda something.
Mr. Gimmick ROM hack, but instead of playing as Gimmick with a Lucy Gerber mouse.
True. Lucy Gerbil Mouse. Which is her legal name, as you know. Guys, what is 99 in hex?
Gerber mouse.
63.
Germa.
Germa? Okay, the UI should now be somewhat unfucked. You know, the rest at least says 99. I don't really know what is up with the health. The health bar just being wrong. I suppose what I could do is also figure out how the full health, or sorry, the max health variable works. Whatever.
You can set the Windows calculator to programmer mode, then you can just type in values to see what it is in hex.
Oh, no freaking way. I'll open that in a bit. Please. Oh, now that I think about it, I have virtually infinite life, so I don't really have to worry about taking damage. Ugh. This fucking guy. Right, now my health bar actually makes sense. So clearly having this, like, full health value. What was the value for normal health again? Because I feel like full health would probably be next to normal health, right? Like, in terms of, if I were a programmer and I had to assign these variables, I'd probably, like, put them close to each other, at least if I was working on that system at the same time. Let me see. So it's 0346 was the 0346. Is there any nearby value that also reads 4? No.
Maybe some sort of update UI function is called by the health power.
Maybe some sort of update UI function called by the health power. Well, no, I think what it is that the when it comes to the health bar, you have like 4 of these dots, and at the start of level 2 of them are grayed out because the orange potion changes your full health or your like max health. And I think the reason they glitched out is because they were indexing from the grayed out sprite to like the next sprite over, which in this case, like in that one's case was fine, but then for this one it like tried to access something that didn't exist. Also,
I found again the
ouch.
Lucy fan art.
We found the Lucy Jerboa fan art, we did. That's awesome.
Okay.
Okay, let me see. Where's the memory search? I'm looking for a value that says 4. Okay. I believe these still insta-kill me. Does that set back my... No, it doesn't. Okay, there's 2 different values that are 2 right now. Just in total. Now they're both 3. So 002B if I set this to 4, that fixes my UI. Okay. There you go, that's my infinite health cheat. And that's just kind of how you do it. It's very similar to my experience with Cheat Engine, if you've ever seen that before, which is also editing memory values directly, but because the NES is so much like less memory, it's somehow a little less messy, I guess. Now, if you ask me, having infinite health and stuff kind of ruins the experience. No way, I got a like on TikTok, and then the person left, I think. Oh. No way, it's the Half-Life guy! That is true, I am the Half-Life guy. I got one comment. Somebody said something on TikTok and I didn't even see. Ah, man, I feel bad.
Your first TikTok comment.
It was me.
First TikTok comment of the night. By the way, I haven't had any YouTube comments either today, which is kind of sad and messed up. Do I've noticed that people really just do not watch horizontal YouTube live streams? I don't think the YouTube algorithm knows what to do with them. It's a shame that the...
I joined there when Lizzie threw shade at TikTok user and I went there to prove her right.
Hey YouTube. The thing is, secret cheat, because so little is said on the YouTube chat. If you want like a message to be on my stream for the rest of the stream, just say it on YouTube. Because it also doesn't clear. I don't know why, but my brain was like, oh, somebody should put trans rights there, and then I was like, Happy Pride Month. Now, do you ever have that? Like, you have a conversation with yourself, but you're not like... Your brain is not on? Like you have like this internal dialogue, but you forgot to speak it. This happens to me sometimes. Trans rights.
Happens to the best of us.
Real. Get the gender queers involved. Oh man, I am not used to streaming in the morning. Matthew Moments in the Morning. I should have called the stream that. Matthew Moments in the Morning. Next time.
Matthew
Also,
Morning.
I should update my category to be
I
either
even found
retro or
an image of
remake.
trans right 2 over the blue Discord.
Dude, trans rights too. If trans rights are so good, why isn't there a trans right? Wait, no. How can this be? I want to try out putting it to retro. Because it's a bigger category. But I don't know what the value of that is.
Right.
Gimmick rights. Right the wrongs that the gimmick has caused. How do you set it up so you
Gimmick right.
jump over both of these doors? I know that there's a setup for it, but I don't know how. And it's not like that. Six speedrun strats. Get hitched on both of those guys. Why does he make a sound effect if I start going like...
These were definitely no Mario-inspired enemies.
Well... Those might have been Spinies, yes. Or,
What is going on?
I'm just charging my star, but I have like this like...
Oh, 1 minute ad break.
Meow. Dun, 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 dun. Well, you're gonna miss out on my coolest trick that I do. Fuck that guy.
I don't know how I did it, but I haven't seen Twitch ad in years.
That's awesome, man. I wonder, yeah. Oh, wait a minute, my health is messed up again. Weird. Isn't there a way to do exactly that? Yes, there is. What if I did a gimmick speedrun, but I had infinite lives, infinite health, and also a moon jump? And the character moved at triple speed.
I mean, triple speed could be challenging for platform.
Yeah. I just don't know how to do that yet, is the problem. Because I feel like I'd have to, like, actually edit the code. Just to delve into the code. Actually, probably not, but I'd have to, like, find it in ROM memory, wherever, like, that constant is stored. Like, max speed. I want to do something else. I've looked at this menu enough today and yesterday for an entire lifetime. I feel it was a pretty fun and impressive looking, you know, endeavor, but I think we all get it now. I think we get it. If I change the numbers change. Very unique. Real-time corruption, real-time memory editing, yada yada.
No way.
I don't know if it's... Oh no, TikTok is gonna get mad at me if I do. But I want to show off, like... Do you guys know the YouTuber Real-Time... Oh no, sorry, Part-Time Astronaut? Who is a guy who makes funny corruptions. Because I really like that channel. And if I suddenly like... Wait a minute, corruptions? That is his name, right? Part-Time Astronaut.
You mean by not the famous stream?
Oh no, it is Freelance Astronaut.
No.
I fucked it up. Well,
My dearest Mel.
my dearest Melpert. Oh, my dearest Melpert, I message you with great concern in my heart. For I saw what you are streaming. And I think it's disgusting. Oh no, the shit house. Mario is grass. Oh god, the Mario virus is taking over. Hey, bro.
Mario is spreading.
Inactivity detected in your life? What are you talking
Ammo.
about? Life
Oh.
will end. Mario in the goo zone. Yeah. This is another variation of Mario turns pink and dies. God knows what that is. Woohoo!
Elongated.
Elongated. Giant Princess Peach. Why is she so big? Ah! Yeah! Mario teaches pissing. And then he died! That freaking, like, shadow on the hook just did.
Ah, there you are, you little rascal. You've been chasing cats again, eh?
Why is he so strong? What game is this even? Is this having a little dancing party?
I guess the nightmares of Tintin.
Oh, it could have been Tintin, yeah. It kind of looked like Tintin. Whoa, they turned the UI, like the
the movie
debug
Tintin.
UI on. That's really weird. Like the movie Tintin. Yeah. I wakata. Wakata. Wakata yo. Oh, naruhodo. Abinakata. Anyway, so I really recommend Freelance Astronaut. This guy's fucking awesome. Awesome. I've watched like most of his stuff. It's pretty good. You know? It now points to me instead of Matt. Oh, you're right. Lucy, I guess Lucy says trans rights. Also, I read that way later than it was said, but bleh, bleh, bleh. Bruh. Let's go look for somebody to raid. I don't want to stream for much longer because I have to go to work in like 1 hour 45 minutes, so I think I should like end the stream and get ready for work. It was fun to have something to do because usually all I do when I have work in the afternoon is just sit around waiting for work to start.
Shiel would work.
Thanks, bestie. Don't go yet. We're gonna raid somebody. If I can find somebody
Have
to
a
raid.
nice day of working.
Of course, nobody ever streams when I'm trying to raid. Ah! Now we have to find somebody to raid.
Yeah, the thing in afternoon, so now I can't do anything the whole morning.
Yeah, exactly. It's the worst. But now I did do something in the morning because I did a live stream. And that fixed it.
I was thinking of co-streaming, but I don't know how much I would bring to the table.
Yeah.
Co-streaming. How do you mean co-streaming? Sanrio Fest in Yokohama. I'm kind of just curious what they're talking about.
Chill. I think it's just because Yokohama is always chill, and it's so wide, and to go to Yokohama.
Do you think this is a green screen and then with a live cam?
That's why it's just.
Or is this woman just like sitting in the middle of this mall talking to a camera?
It's nice. I like it. Is this the mall under Landmark Tower? Yes. This is Landmark Plaza specifically.
Like we streamed together, it was an idea was forming while you were playing Gimmick.
Oh, right. Well, like I said, I kind of wanna hop off.
Yay for another time, maybe.
This is such a great thumbnail. That's a really great thumbnail for fucking automatic thumbnailing, right? Like, I'm gonna save this. Because it makes you go like, who is Yasmin? What is going on? You know, it's great image.
When the street fights.
Yo, Snapchat. Titty streamers, we got 'em. This one is in Chinese, which is awesome. Oh, Mer. Beep. Oh. Let's see. Is anybody playing Gimmick?
You know what? Raid me 3.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Go live. Wait, can I raid somebody who isn't live yet?
Give me a sec.
Oh, apparently that does work. Okay, you have 8 seconds.
Okay. Wait a second. What is it?
So go check out Hyrik. He's a buddy of mine. He does game development. He's probably going to do more game development today. It's my assumption.
What is it?
He speaks Italian and English, which we just learned from the text on the screen. Italiano, Bella.
Okay.
Goed.
Wait, am I streaming?
Apitipa, tapitipiti, putuputipa.
Okay.
Yeah, have fun. Bye. Bye, every pony. Bye. Bye.
Give me 1 second, I swear. Okay. Just okay. There we go. Thank you, Matthew. Moment. Hi, it's me. It's me. I'm Rick. I'm Rick. Hello, thank you. Might as well, you know. We continue the stream among the streams. I have to work.
AI viewer stream boo. Calm.
What the fuck? Is that my chat or his chat? I think his, because I can't. Yeah. Oh, goodbye everybody on Twitch and you.